Naturally fermented drink recipe. Ginger beer is a naturally flavored, slightly spicy, and less sweet carbonated beverage made from ginger. Many recipes use brewer's yeast or champagne yeast for carbonation, but I prefer natural fermentation with a ginger bug. It's like a sourdough starter in the world of fermented drinks. Here's how to make it and use it to create your own homemade ginger beer. We will start with making the ginger bug. First of all, you have to grate or chop the ginger. You can also use food processor, what I highly recommend it, because you can grind more ginger and store it in the fridge. Remember not to peel the ginger. It will allow the fermentation to take place and produce natural wild yeasts. When you have ginger, combine it with 500 milliliters filtered water and 25 grams of sugar in a 1-liter glass or plastic container. Avoid metal, as the acidity of the mixture may react with it. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Cover with cheesecloth or a clean cloth, and let it sit at room temperature for 24 hours. Don't forget to label your container with the starting date. Every day for 5 days, add 25 grams of sugar and 25 grams of ginger. This only takes a few minutes. After 3 days, the mixture will become fizzy, a sign that it's ready to use. But we will wait until day 5. After these 5 days, we can finally move on to making ginger beer. Pour the 2 liters of filtered water into a large pot. Add 300 grams of sugar and 80 grams of ground ginger. Bring to a boil. Then reduce the heat and simmer for 5 to 8 minutes. Let the mixture cool to room temperature. This is crucial to avoid killing the wild yeast. Strain through a fine mesh sieve, pressing the ginger to extract all the juice. Add the 200 grams of ginger bug and juice from 2 lemons and mix thoroughly. Transfer the mixture to flip-top bottles, leaving at least 5 centimeters of headroom. Let the bottles sit at room temperature for 3 to 6 days until the ginger beer is fizzy to your liking. Open the bottles daily to release excess pressure and prevent explosions. Once the ginger beer reaches the desired level of carbonation, transfer the bottles to the refrigerator. The cold slows fermentation, so you no longer need to burp them. Your homemade, naturally fermented ginger beer is ready. Enjoy. You can use your ginger bug to ferment other beverages, creating homemade carbonated lemonades or fruit sodas. Experiment and have fun with fermentation.